Are you planning a trip? Once you know where you're going to go, start planning for that trip by visiting roamaround.io. Start by entering the destination of your trip. In this case, I'm going to put in 7 days in Hawaii. And I'm just going to go and let it do what it wants to do. Tropical delights and culinary wonders in Honolulu. Here it gives you some information about the destination. It also gives you weather information. Will tell you about the prices of your destination. By telling you the average price of a cup of coffee, you can pretty much get an idea that things there are pretty pricey. Also lets you know what the language is that's spoken at the location you're going to visit. And if you scroll down, you'll see an outline of what they have planned for you for the days you've selected in your trip. Day 1, morning, evening, and bedtime, including links to all the places that I mentioned in your outline for the day. Day 2, Day 3, Day 4, 5, 6, and 7. You decide to stay longer, add another day. So before you leave on your trip, visit roamaround.io and get the feel of the land that you're about to visit. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching and listening.